This is an A1A washer and dryer, storage above. You have a beautiful pantry with ample storage. This is your kitchen, stainless steel appliances, stove, microwave, glass front cabinets, double door refrigerator with freezer below, farmhouse sink, living room that goes out, your patio area, which is plenty big enough for a table and 2 to 3 chairs. That's your view. This is your bedroom, walk-in closet, into your bathroom, medicine cabinet, storage above the toilet, walk-in shower with a bench. This is an A1, 677 square feet. This is unit 3120.